Of Delrawn Small, who was fatally shot by an NYPD officer back in 2016, has been relentlessly fighting for accountability. Today, they're calling on a judge to stop delaying the process further. News 12's Shakti Dennis was at the Brooklyn Supreme Court to hear their plea.
Delrawn Small was only 4 months old when his father, Delrawn Small, was killed in front of him by an off-duty NYPD officer. Delrawn is now almost 7 years old, and his family continues to fight to hold Officer Wayne Isaacs accountable.
Justice for Delrawn Small!
Today, they stood in front of the Brooklyn Supreme Court to demand the release of court documents they say will be crucial in a disciplinary trial against Isaacs.
We don't see why there's an issue of unsealing it when we, as the public, saw the proceedings at that point.
Officer Isaacs was acquitted of murder in Brooklyn Supreme Court back in 2017 and continues to serve with the NYPD.
It's outrageous that it's been almost 6.5 years since the NYPD killed Delrawn Small.
In 2020, following an investigation, the Civilian Complaint Review Board substantiated charges against Isaacs and started the process to hold a disciplinary hearing.
Judge Chun!
Unseal the record.
But Small's family says that Brooklyn Supreme Court Judge Danny Chun has been delaying the release of documents from Isaacs' 2017 criminal trial that would help the CCRB determine whether Isaacs violated NYPD policy.
There's been endless delays and attempts to shield NYPD officer Wayne Isaacs from being fired for killing Delrawn Small.
In a statement to News 12, the court said the judge will make a determination as to whether he will unseal documents from the trial after consideration in due time. The disciplinary hearing can still move forward without those documents, but the family insists they will give the CCRB a fuller picture of what happened.
This fight for this unsealing motion is to get Isaacs fired from NYPD so other New Yorkers don't feel like they're going to be terrorized by murderous officers.
The trial has yet to be scheduled, and when it happens, the CCRB will either recommend Isaacs' firing or not, but ultimately the final decision will still be in the hands of the NYPD commissioner. In downtown Brooklyn, I'm Shakti Dennis, News 12.